this is how I transport a 16-foot garage door. I use a bed extender. Try looking up on YouTube, but nobody posted up how to do it. Yeah. So I use the bed extender with a wooden ladder, and just a couple of tie down, ratchet tie down. The truck bed is 6.5 foot, and yeah, the extension here give it about another 3 foot, 2 foot, 2.5. The reason why I decided to transport myself was because they were going to charge me $80 for 5 miles, and the hitch itself, it's only $60 on Amazon, and you can buy it from Harbor Freight too, but I didn't like how Harbor Freight didn't have a lot of adjustments for the heights right there. For the Harbor Freight ones, there's only like 2 adjustments. But yeah, this is how you transport a 16-foot garage door. Hope you guys like it, enjoy it, like and subscribe. Thanks.